Difference between factors and prime factors. What are factors? Factors are the numbers which divides any number completely. That means leaving no remainder. So, if you see the factors of 12, okay? So, we will see what numbers divide 12 completely. Now, 1 is the universal factor as all the numbers come in the table of 1. They divide all the number. So, 1 and 1/12 are 12. As I already told you, 1 and the number itself are the factors of all the numbers. All the numbers have two factors, 1 and number itself. Okay, then 2. So in 2's table 12 comes. 2 divides 12 completely. Yes, 2 6 are 12. That means 2 and 6 are also factors. Then I will see 3. Yes, 3 4s are 12. So 3 and 4 are also factors of 12. Now we will stop seeing. Why? Because after 3, 4 has started. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now if you see them very clearly, so you will find that I have 1 which is unique number. You know 1 is unique number. 2 is prime number. 3 is again prime number. 4 is composite number. 6 is composite number. And 12 is composite number. So I can have both prime and composite number, even unique number also in factors, and we don't repeat any factor. Okay, but if you say prime factors, what are prime factors? Now see here, prime factors are the factors of a number that are also a prime number. That means what? That means prime factors are factors. They also divide any number completely. But prime factors are only and only prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors, 1 and number itself. That means in easy language, prime numbers are the numbers which go only in their own table. Now tell me prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These numbers, they don't go in any other table apart from in their own table. Okay. Now factors are only prime numbers. Okay. Now prime factors of 12. Now let's see prime factors of 12. We will use division method here. 12. Now we will write only prime numbers here. If I say 4 के table में भी तो 12 जा रहा है. 4 3s are 12. Can I write 4 here? No, you cannot write 4 here as 4 is a composite number. So what you will do, you will start from prime number 2. First prime number is 2. So 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is going with 2. 2 3s are. Now 3 1s are 3. So I can have only and only prime numbers here. I cannot have unique number or composite number. Okay. Now see how will I write? Prime factors of 12 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now see, we can repeat the factors here. And second thing, the product of prime factors will be equals to the number. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So their product is equals to the number. So remember, factors are the numbers which divides completely. They can be prime, composite, any. But prime factors are the numbers which are only prime numbers. We cannot have composite number. We cannot repeat factors here, but we can repeat prime factors here. Okay. And the product of prime factors is always equals to the number.